Brother Alauddin Ahmad has asked on the Facebook, can I speak with Allah in my own language in Sajdah? Please give me the answer, sir. Yes, while in the Sajdah, in the Salah, you can pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and you can pray in your own languages. Allah understands all the languages. As far as the basic part of the Salah is concerned, we have to repeat as the Prophet taught us in Arabic. But in Sajdah, when you're doing the dua, you can surely do in your own language. It is permitted and that is recommended. One of the best time to do dua is in the Sajdah. And the best time is in Tahajjud, when you're offering Tahajjud. And in Tahajjud, that is the last 1/3 of the night when you're praying the Qiyamul Layl, Tahajjud. And when you do the Sajdah, then you do dua. That is one of the best times to do dua.